Mommy, Daddy, bakit mo ba ako pinipigilan mag-boyfriend at girlfriend? Kaya ko na sarili ko! It's tempting for the younger generation to feel they know better than their titos and titas. Ganyan kayo pagkabata kayo, parang feeling mo, hindi, kaya ko na mundo. Mommy, Daddy, bakit mo ba ako pinipigilan mag-boyfriend at girlfriend? Kaya ko na sarili ko! Bakit mo pinipigilan yung pagpamahalan namin? Wala kang pambili ng baon mo nga, hinihingi po sa nanay at tatay mo. Feeling mo, galing-galing mo na sa buhay. Minsan feeling natin, dahil mas magaling tayo, mas tech-savvy tayo, mas grabe yung wealth of knowledge natin, daming resources sa internet, di ba? We want to tell the dinosaurs, the thunders, Oy, Mami, Daddy, Tito, Tita, times have changed. What worked for you does not work anymore. Kailan ka ba magre-retire? Palitan ka na namin. Pero ito, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, in one sense, totoo naman. Yung millennials, saka Gen Z, and Gen Alpha, they are actually smarter, more updated, more tech-savvy. And that should be the case. Because I believe, kapag yung henerasyon mo, hindi mas magaling dun sa previous generation, the previous generation did something wrong. Dapat mas magaling talaga yung next generation. But I want you to be careful. Young people, listen to me. Knowledge without humility is dangerous. Kahit anong galing mo, kahit tama ka pa, kung mayabang ka, walang makikinig at wala rin bibilib sa'yo. Ano mangyayari? May inis lang lahat ng tao sa'yo. Meron ba dito sa inyo, tuwan-tuwa kayo sa mga taong mayayabang? Wala, di ba? Ayaw yung kausap yun. Ayaw yung kadil yung mga yun. So what's the best way to deal with the older generation? Advice ni Saint Paul dun sa kanyang mini-mentor sa protege niya. Sabi ni Paul kay Timothy, never speak harshly to an older man, but appeal to him respectfully as you would to your own. Treat older women as you would your... Ganda, no? Yung mga elders daw, tratuhin mo parang nanay at tatay mo.